What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very special treat for you guys and a long waiting mod that we've been trying to get done since we did the brake pads last time. As you can see from the title, we are officially putting on a brake kit. Before I start, I'm gonna have all the parts here for you guys. I'm gonna go through all the parts. Kevin helped me source it, and this guy named Duong Ma, that's his name, on Facebook, really helped me out, and I was talking to him. He told me what parts to get, whatnot. So I'm gonna go through the list of parts with you guys before we start on the brake job. Yeah, so let's go straight into it. Whatever I have first, so these are not actual Brembo calipers. I might get a lot of flame for this, but these are Amazon calipers. They're the exact same as Brembo's. I've done enough research as for safety wise, because safety is our #1 priority. If you do get like an OEM set, you're looking close to, I don't even know, like 4K. That's without even the rotors. So these calipers and whatnot, got it powder coated, and I put the Brembo sticker on. They're not really Brembo's, but I guess at first I was gonna put like WRX or something, but I was like, so leave it blank. But I think the Brembo's looks nice, you know. Obviously you can source really like OEM ones like this, but I think for the stuff that, you know, from the research I've done, this works just as fine. And of course, I'm gonna test it out and really beat it up and, you know, give you some results and update in like a couple months later. But okay, so right in front of me, I got the 4 pots and 2 pots. So you can go in the 6 and 4, which is the even bigger version of these brakes. By doing so like that, I feel like that's more expensive, and we're just kind of on a budget for the brakes. We just want something that's functional, that looks, you know, good, better than the stock, whatever's better than the stocks. But we have the yellow pads, the EBC yellow stuff on it. So we're gonna give those away to a lucky winner. Non-abused, slightly used, less than like what, 500 miles or so? No, maybe like less than like 800 miles. Yeah. So comment below if you guys want the pads, just comment whatever you want, and I'll pick a random winner. Yeah, so this whole setup, including the rotors, which aren't here yet, some bolts, the back ending plate, some brake lines, and the pads and powder coating, it came out to close to like 3,500 without the labor. Obviously, I totally spent the car's a lot more now. I think these are very necessary since we go to the track a lot. We do, you know, a lot of mountain driving. I think these new brakes will definitely help us. Again, now for street driving, maybe not. You know, you can just get some EBC orange stuff. That works just great. But, you know, since we have a really nice wheel setup, we need some nice brakes to complement the nice, expensive $5,000 brakes. So, yeah, so today we're waiting for Kevin right now. He's gonna come and demonstrate, show you how to do a complete swap. It's a direct swap, guys. So you don't need to like cut or, we already have the car in the lift already. So I'm just gonna show you just like in the size difference. Like, damn, Jerry, can you?
This you, this me.
Yeah, this is Jerry and this is me. But as you can see, it's definitely a lot bigger. And look, behind the wheel, look at that. Ooh, yo, how's that look, Jerry? Looks pretty sick. So, clearance wise, I know for a fact for stock wheels it won't clear, okay? So you need to run like a spacer or get extended studs, but aftermarket wheels, 18 by 9.5, 38 should clear, but we're gonna find out. This is a 22, so it's kind of aggressive, so we're gonna find out. But as you can see, it looks fabulous. I went with this color. At first we had trouble picking the colors. It was like the lime green color or black. I don't know, someone suggested black. I don't know why, what's the point? It doesn't look good. Or red, yellow. I decided to go with this AMG bronze to match my real Brembos on my Mercedes. I'm just kidding, real or fake, doesn't matter. You can't, I guess you can call this fake, not really fake. Brembo style, Brembo. But yeah, you can also do the studs while you're doing this, but we're not going to, because the rotor gotta come off. Everything comes off. And also we have brake lines, yeah. So brake lines needs to be replaced on 2 of them, I believe. Yeah, so we're waiting for Kevin right now. And we got the car prepped already. And also when you do this, brake fluid was critical. Any .4 is good, but we decided to ball out and get, you know, this Castrol.
.7?
Yeah, .3 plus 4, what is that, 7? Just kidding. So .4 brakes. Jerry, you can get some bureaus of these brakes right now in the meantime. And then we'll wait for Kevin and he will demonstrate and give us a process. So by the way, if you're interested in doing this install, just hit up Ely Wraps. Kevin will take care of it from there. He'll get the brakes for you, he'll source everything for you. He'll get it powder coated, whatever color you want, and then installation set. Yeah, that's it for now. I'm gonna wait for Kevin and I will catch you guys in a bit. Everything in front of us, custom 2-piece rotors, rear rotors, Brembo pads. We got the brake shield, got the stainless steel brake lines, and miscellaneous bolts and whatnot. So This is not a DIY step-by-step, but it's more like him just putting it on. So also the reason why we went to 2-piece rotor is for the cooling. So performance-wise on the track, it's gonna be amazing. And also this is direct bolt on. So a lot of guys that are running Brembos, they need to put like a spacer in the back and the mess with the wheel offset. This eliminates that. So super nice. These are really expensive, but most of the money comes from these rotors itself. But as you see, everything's here. It should be a direct bolt on. Yeah, let's see what Kevin's gonna do today, and then I'm excited to see how it looks and how it performs. It's raining outside, so we might not be able to get some testing today done.
Hey everyone, I'm here to talk about the brakes a little. So today I swapped all 4 corners of the brake calipers and rotors, along with, we bled the brake calipers with a .4 fluid just to have a higher boiling point. So it's more track ready for your future needs. But today I'm here to explain about the part. So in order to do the swap, you have to either spacers for your STI rotor that you get your STI brakes from, or you can actually get some custom made rotors. This here from Paragon. It's a custom made rotor, so it's a 2-piece rotor. There's a lot of benefits to actually having a 2-piece rotor. First, you see all the extra holes it has. That actually allows for more cooling into the rotor, and so it can actually withstand longer periods of temperature. And then we also swapped out the brake lines to a stainless steel for just more durable, more consistent feel. The swap is pretty straightforward, but it is quite tedious. The turnaround time is roughly 4 to 5 hours. It just depends on your overall experience. The hub is the same hub, so everything just straight bolts on as long as you buy custom front rotors. The rear was a little tedious as well. So in order to fit the rears with the giant rotor, the rotor is off of STI as well. And this rotor is roughly an inch taller than your stock rotor. So in order to fit this properly, the dust shield in the back must be modified. But everything was pretty straightforward. All in all, this job takes around like 4 to 5 hours. If you guys have any questions, right, send us an email, give us a call. If you're interested in getting this swap done for your car, shoot us a DM at Ely Wrap, and I can give you a quote and everything to install it. And then back to Jeff now.
So here it is, officially the cheapest, world's cheapest brake retrofit for a 22 WRX. There are some Brembos out there, or AP Racing brakes, or I don't know what kind of brakes out there for like 4, 5, 6K. I'll link everything in the box below for all the parts, or if you want to just call Ely Wraps, hit them up, have them source it for you, or but definitely have them install it, or you can find a reputable shop to install it for you, because this is the pain for me at least. But Kevin did it in a breeze. But yeah, let's go straight into it. Bronze finish. Let me show you guys the wheel clearance we have here. All right, boys, look at the clearance, guys. Oh my God, look at, this won't even fit. So it's literally right there, but it clears. So if you're running stock wheels, you need spacers. If you are planning to run a offset of 22 or under, good luck, ain't gonna work. 22 works, depending on what wheel, but anything under might not work. So if you're running like an 18 by 9.5, 38 offset, like our Aeroflow wheels, you're gonna be good to go, which they're coming soon. But as you can see, obviously not real Brembos, like quote unquote, but they're pretty much the same calipers. I did some test runs already. Brakes amazing. And again, being 2-piece, the cooling is significantly better. Overall, it's just better, okay? I wish it came from the factory like this, and maybe in the next few years, Subaru might come with an STI version. There's a rumor saying they might, and they might come with this. But in the meantime, if you're in the market for some brakes and something with a good stopping power, obviously you can upgrade the pads like we did before, but I think for less than $2,000, I mean, you can't complain, guys. obviously the power cost is a little more expensive, but on my setup, we spent about, with the install, like close to $3,400. Still not bad, for everything brand new, okay? Everything brand new. And then coming to the back, same thing, looks super nice. So these are pretty much the 15 to 17 STI brakes for those that are more curious about it. I don't know, comment below guys, what color would you guys go for? Honestly, like this looks clean, you know, in my opinion, it looks pretty clean. We're putting back the STI wing back on. We've been saying that forever, but it's finally going back on. We're gonna put the diffuser back on. Exhaust looking schmecky. Yeah guys, I hope you know, like this video. I hope you know, it gives you like a solution for the braking situations we have. Obviously pads will work, but you know, these work just as nice. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you enjoyed this install Kevin did for you. Next video coming out is gonna be our custom downpipe. We're gonna be shooting fat 10-foot flames. Hopefully, I don't know. I'm very excited for that. Jared's excited, I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited because every time we do power mods, it's just, you know, giggles. We're gonna rent E52, so I'm very excited for that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Make sure to like this video, give it a thumbs up, okay? Because every like saves Jerry and me for my job. Like this video, guys. All right, guys, signing out. Catch you guys later.